I want to show you my Ole Surfboard. This is a 1968, possibly 67, but more likely 68 Ole Surfboard. The reason I say 1968 is because when I bought this board, I contacted Ole in Maui, Hawaii, and he told me to check the label, and if the label didn't say Maui on it, if it just said Ole Custom Surfboards, which that one says, then it was made before he moved to Maui, and he moved to Maui in 1969. So this is probably 68 or possibly 67. It's an 8.6 pintail with 50/50 rails, and yes, it has the original wave set removable fin. I've been told that that fin is worth somewhere between $200 and $300, which is more than I paid for the board. 50/50 rails. The board is in pretty good condition for its age. There is some patina, as you can see here and here. These are not dings, by the way, it's just discoloration. And there are some repaired dings in the nose, which is kind of typical, but they've been repaired very, very well. You can tell by the shine on the gloss coat that this board is in really good condition, used but not abused, and I'm really happy to have it in the quiver. So there you go, 1968 Ole 8.6 pintail with the original wave set fin. Pretty cool, huh? I think so.